In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Japanese yen futures as they're moving higher today. Yen futures trading higher for a second session, and today we're looking at the futures market trading up to the highest level in 3 months, holding on to this upward momentum here for the better part of 2025. And when you look at some of the driving factors today, I think there's a couple of things influencing the market. Number one, some of the volatility that the markets are experiencing, other parts of the market, particularly the equity markets, experiencing some pretty significant volatility the last couple of days. And I think that that's creating a bid for the Japanese yen. Historically, when you do see disruptions in the equity markets, the yen becomes that safe haven type of vehicle, and it appears to be a factor this time around as well. Couple that with also shifting dynamics within the Japanese economy, as it does appear that the Bank of Japan might be poised to raise rates even further, as continuing to see inflation starting to work its way into the Japanese economy. And that's another factor, I think, from a sentiment standpoint, that's also impacting the price action in the yen throughout the better part of 2025. Now, looking at the general trends, with today's price action, we're trading up to the highest level for the yen, actually in more than 4 months when you look at it from a lead month standpoint or front month future standpoint. But for the March future, we're trading at 3-month highs. And again, but the top end of the range here for the past really 4 to 5 months when you look at the yen price action. And we're also seeing higher prices pretty much across the board today in most of the other major FX futures markets as well. So dollar under some pressure. Primarily due to, I think, to some of the volatility as well as economic uncertainty moving forward. And with that, treasury markets continue to show strength and moving yields lower, and that's putting some pressure on the dollar. And you're seeing the major FX futures markets benefiting, the Japanese yen being one of them, but also we're looking at the euro and the British pound, I believe, trading up to the highest levels for 2025. And really pretty much across the board now we're seeing higher prices today in the futures markets. Yen, though, holding on to this upward momentum and now trading up to the highest level in just over 3 months.